Charles Devlin and his wife Mary Ellen Rooney. Charles' parents, Owen Devlin and Catherine Melanie, were rich landowners in Roscommon, Ireland. He settled in Aylmer in 1851 at the age of 23 and established a general store at the northeast corner of Charles and Bancroft Streets. He married Ellen Rooney on October 31, 1852 in Saint-Hermas, Quebec. Charles and Ellen had a family of 10 children. He was municipal councillor and served 3 terms as mayor, 1873 to 1876, 1877, 1878, and 1890 to 1891. On January 5, 1891, under his administration, the village of Aylmer officially became a town. After more than 60 years in operation, his store was destroyed by fire in 1911. Their son, Charles Ramsay, married Blanche de Saint-de-Montigny on September 27, 1893 in Saint-Scholastique, Quebec. He was a federal member of Parliament for Ottawa County from 1891 to 1896 and for Wright County from 1896 to 1897. He was a member of Parliament in Great Britain for County Galway in Ireland from 1903 to 1906. And Quebec Provincial Minister of Mines, Fisheries and Colonization in Loumerguin's cabinet from 1907 until his death in 1914. Their son Emmanuel married Cécile Masson on June 4, 1907 in Terrebonne, Quebec. He was a member of Parliament for Wright County in Ottawa from 1905 to 1921. Admitted to the bar in 1895, he was a partner in the law firm Devlin St. Marie in Hull. Their son Napoleon managed the general store and was municipal councillor from 1923 to 1924. Their son Joseph studied at the Jesuit College in Montreal, McGill University, and the University of Michigan. A brilliant lawyer, he was closely involved in politics. Known far and wide for his exceptional oratorical qualities and his proficiency in French and English, he was a master linguist and expressed himself in a most powerful tone of voice. Their son Owen Bernard was a lawyer and a Jesuit priest. On July 16, 1905, while on a visit home, he preached a homily at High Mass at St. Paul's Church. He died on April 15, 1915 in Santa Barbara, California, USA.